Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Wi-Fi Security Light by Secur360. This product has some really great features. It sends you notifications once it detects motion. You can control it with your Secur360 application, your Amazon Alexa, or your Google Home Assistant. And a really cool feature about Secur360 products is if you have 2 or 3 of these devices on your home, you can actually link them together, so if one of them detects motion, all 3 will turn on. So I'm really excited about this install. Let's get started. Before we start the install, let's make sure that we gather up all the tools necessary to make sure that this install is a success. Get yourself some needle nose pliers, Phillips head screwdriver, a multimeter, and some silicone caulking. Everything else that you're going to need is going to be included in the hardware pack that is inside of the box. Find the breaker associated with your outdoor junction box and flip it in the off position. Let's start the install by removing the old unit. As an additional safety measure, use an AC voltage detector or a multimeter to check if these wires are still live. We're good to go. I've already gone ahead and removed the old unit. Now we're ready to start our installation. Now we're ready to mount the mounting bracket onto the junction box. For my specific junction box, I will be using the 2 number 8 screws. Now we will connect the line, neutral, and ground wires to the back plate. Now we will install the unit. Make sure to align the posts that are on the back plate to the holes on the back of the unit. Install the waterproofing plastic plug that comes in the hardware pack. Afterwards, seal the unit by applying a bead of silicone around the canopy. Now we can go to the panel box and turn the power on to the unit. Now we will credential the unit to our Secur360 application. Click the Add button located on the right-hand corner of the home screen. Select Security Light and follow the in-app instructions for credentialing. Prior to credentialing, make sure that your cell phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz network of your Wi-Fi router. These devices only work with the 2.4 GHz band. That is why it's important that you do this step correctly, otherwise you will not successfully credential your unit. Once you've entered your password, you can start the credentialing process. Please be close to the unit when executing this step. The sensor will start blinking blue once it starts credentialing. When it turns solid blue, that means that your unit has credentialed to the account and you're ready to start using your Wi-Fi Security Light. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.